Check out how I use AI to create my Facebook Marketplace listings. So first I'll just create a listing like I typically would, source in my items and videos, pictures and videos of the items. Facebook will use the first 4 pictures to source in information about those items. They just updated the platform, so all you have to do is toggle on that Use Meta AI button and it'll automatically source in that information for you. Sometimes it sources in a price, but not always. It'll always source in a title, category, and a description. I like to review all the information, make sure it sounds right, make sure it's sourcing in accurate information. And then I always use a secondary source to double check my work and see if there's anything more I can learn about that item. So I'll toggle on over to Google AI and select a picture and then use a simple prompt just saying, tell me more about this item, let me know how much I could resell it for, how much it's worth, and it'll source the web and look to see for any other marketplace listings such as like eBay, Etsy, where they have this item for sale or it's recently sold. And it pulls in a ton of really quality information about that item and the background of it. So I've learned some really interesting things about items that I didn't know, and it's been fun to do this research. It also pulls in resale value. So based on the quality of the item, how it's looking, the condition, what you could probably price it for or what it's sold for on other platforms. So typically Facebook will source in some pretty good descriptions, but sometimes they're generic and I like to take information from Google, copy that over as well, and then utilize the price point that it gives me to create a price. Facebook does an okay job picking prices. Sometimes you want to double check and make sure it's accurate. I also have a template that I keep my basic information that I put in all my posts that I can just copy and paste in, save some time there, review this listing, add a SKU, bing, bang, boom, she's ready to list. I can't tell you how much time I've saved by going through this process and using AI with my listings. I save probably 5 to 10 minutes per listing now. So if you're not using it, I highly recommend you do.